Ladies and gentlemen, welcome for your back-to-back CIF champion softball team, head coach Casey Matthews.
I'd just like to say, last year was a dream come true. Absolutely an amazing season. And you guys that came and supported us during the playoffs and during the regular season, we really appreciate it. You guys make a huge difference for us. So a big round of applause for you guys and all the support and the school spirit you guys showed all year last year. Thank you. I'd first like to bring out our varsity coaches. For them, it doesn't get done. Chuck Bunker and Kurt House. I also can't forget to thank our two seniors from last year that are currently in Tulsa and San Diego playing softball at the D1 level. Lauren Cox and Catherine Horner. They weren't able to be here, but big part of last year's team. And this year's returning players are sophomores. Olivia Lamb and Lauren Shin. Our juniors, Katie Lee, Shelly Musso, Alyssa Slomack, Joe Groko, Olivia Leva, and Brenna Gay. And despite the fact that they're seniors now, they will always be known as the freshman five. I can't see you guys are walking. Aubrey Thompson, Annie Monroe, Chelsea Crane, Selena Moore, and Jessica Hogan. Guys, again, we thank you for your support. Hope to see you out this year as we go to find